Welcome to the Edivart Elements of Design series. In this video, we're going to be learning about texture. Texture is the surface quality of an object or an image. In other words, how it would feel under your fingers. Adding texture to an artwork makes it more interesting to look at. Textures can be rough, smooth, sharp, scaly, spiky, slimy, woolly, gritty, fluffy, bumpy. In drawing, when we want to create texture in our work, we are essentially creating an optical illusion to imply or suggest the texture to our viewer. When we draw texture, the movement of our pencil is very important in creating this illusion. Let's look at some examples of this. Look at the way my pencil moves in a flicking motion to create a furry or hairy texture. When I want to create a fluffy texture, my pencil moves in a round, semicircular motion. Different again is the scaly texture, which has a similar shape to the fluffy texture, but the lines are much firmer and more defined. Soft and silky textures need organic lines that flow together, while spiky textures use short, sharp, heavy strokes with the pencil moving in an upward direction. You can see that the way you move your pencil is the key to creating texture in your drawing. Before we move on to our artwork, we're going to practice various mark-making techniques in our BAPD. I will link to this resource in the description. Notice that the more I overlap my lines, the denser the texture appears. This also helps to create tone. I'm only demonstrating 3 techniques here, but I want you to practice all of them. Once you have practiced your mark making, you're going to use different textures to add interest to your still life drawing. Choose a different texture for each of your shapes. Overlap and layer your texture in some areas to create variation and tone. So that's it. You've practiced making texture and seen how it can be used to make simple drawings more interesting. Now that we've practiced texture, it's time to move on to our last element of design.